Learn how to make money with AI in 2026. Welcome to the Automate NG AI Income Streams Masterclass, the most comprehensive training on using AI to build real, sustainable income. Whether you are a complete beginner, a working professional, or an existing business owner, this masterclass gives you the tools, strategies, and confidence to start earning with AI. We cover foundational concepts through to advanced income streams, including voice AI, video AI, and multilingual automation. Before we dive in, which of the income categories on screen interests you most right now? Let us begin by understanding why right now is the most important time to develop AI skills. The numbers tell a powerful story. The AI market is projected to reach $1.8 trillion by 2030. 4.8 billion people are connected to the internet. 73% of businesses are now adopting AI tools. And here is what most people miss. Over 5 billion internet users do not speak English as their primary language. That is a massive underserved market for multilingual AI services. The people who act now will look back at this moment as the turning point in their careers. Which of these four statistics surprises you most? Before we look at the income streams, let us make sure we understand what AI actually is. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Simply put, it is software that can learn, think, and make decisions like a human assistant, but faster, cheaper, and available 24 hours a day. You do not need to be a programmer to use AI. Today's tools are built for everyday people. When a platform suggests what to watch next, that is AI. When an e-commerce store recommends a product, that is AI. The most exciting part? These same capabilities can now power your own income streams. Think about a task you repeat in your work every single day. That is likely something AI can automate for you. Now, let us look at all the different ways AI creates income. You will see the full picture in one slide. In this masterclass, we will cover the 9 AI income streams. Every one is accessible to you today. Let's look at all the different ways AI creates income, and you can choose your starting point. In this masterclass, we cover 9 powerful income streams, 3 more than most AI training programs teach. Streams 1 through 6 are the foundation: AI services, content creation, courses, digital products, affiliate marketing, and freelancing. But streams 7, 8, and 9 are where hidden opportunity lies: voice AI, video AI, and multi-language services. These 3 are growing fast and remain underserved. Picking even one and mastering it can transform your income within months. Looking at all 9, which 2 feel most aligned with your current skills or interests? We start with AI services, building automation systems for businesses. AI services is the fastest path to earning. Businesses need automation. They just do not know how to build it. You bridge that gap. A clinic pays $500 for an appointment reminder system. A retailer pays $300 monthly to keep their WhatsApp bot running. N8N lets you build powerful systems by connecting existing apps without heavy coding. Once built, you earn recurring monthly retainers, stable income with minimal extra work each month. Do you know any business in your network that still handles customer inquiries manually? Now, let us look at income stream 2, AI content creation. AI content creation lets you produce high-quality output at a fraction of the time and cost. A YouTuber using AI for scripts and captions can publish 3 times more videos. A blogger using AI for SEO can grow organic traffic significantly. This content earns from ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, and product sales. Use AI as your co-creator, not a replacement for your expertise. Your judgment and your understanding of the audience remain the irreplaceable human element. Which of these content channels do you already use, and could AI speed it up significantly? Let us move to income stream 3, building and selling AI courses. Teaching AI skills is one of the most scalable income models available. Here is the formula: learn a skill, apply it to get real results, then teach others the same. A 3-hour course at $49 can sell to hundreds simultaneously. A boot camp with 50 students at $199 earns $9,950 from one launch. Unlike consulting, a course continues selling after launch. Automate NG built its entire education business on this model, and every student who masters this can replicate it in their own niche. If you could teach one skill using AI tools to support you, what would that skill be? Next up, selling AI digital products, where passive income becomes truly scalable. Digital products are the ultimate passive income vehicle. Create once, sell indefinitely. 10 N8N templates at $49 each, selling 20 copies monthly, generates $980 with zero extra effort. We have expanded this list to include voice script packs and AI video templates, two fast-growing categories as voice AI and video AI become mainstream business tools. Every new income stream you learn becomes another product you can package and sell to others, just starting their journey. Which of these 6 product types could you create using skills you are building right now? Let us look at income stream 5, affiliate marketing, where you earn by recommending tools you already use. Affiliate marketing is income with zero product creation. Share your genuine experience with a tool, include a referral link, and earn when someone subscribes. Refer a customer to a $99 per month tool with 30% commission, and you earn $29.70 every month they stay subscribed. Refer 10 customers, and that becomes $297 monthly from one tool alone. Content is the distribution engine. Every tutorial you post is a permanent referral source working for you around the clock. Which AI tools do you already use daily that have affiliate programs you have not yet joined? Stream 6 is AI freelancing, selling your skills directly to global clients. AI freelancing converts your skills into immediate income while you build other streams. Note the 7th skill, multi-language AI specialist. This is a growing niche with very few trained specialists globally. Building multilingual chatbots, translating automation workflows, or localizing AI content for international markets commands strong rates and faces minimal competition. Your first client can come from your existing network. You do not need a platform account to start. If you could offer one of these 7 skills to a business this week, which would you choose? Now we enter 3 powerful income streams that most AI training programs never cover, starting with voice AI. Now, let's explore 3 powerful, high-growth income streams most people overlook: voice AI, video AI, and multi-language automation. These niches offer less competition and vast opportunity for early movers. Voice AI is one of the fastest-growing service categories in the digital economy. Businesses, course creators, YouTubers, and podcast producers all need high-quality narration, but recording studio time is expensive and slow. Tools like ElevenLabs produce studio-quality voiceovers in any language in minutes. You can charge $29 to $149 per voiceover project, $50 to $200 per course narration module, and build ongoing retainer relationships with content creators who need weekly production. Have you ever needed a professional voiceover but found it too expensive or complicated to produce? Voice AI is powerful alone, but combine it with multilingual delivery and you unlock premium pricing. Multilingual voice services are where voice AI becomes a premium business offering. An English language course that took months to produce can be localized into Spanish, French, and Arabic in days using ElevenLabs or PlayHT. You charge $200 to $500 per language version, and the course creator gets global reach without re-recording anything. Corporate clients with multinational teams pay $500 to $2,000 monthly for ongoing multilingual narration. This is a high-margin, low-competition niche right now. Think about any course creator or business you know that is currently English only. How much would global reach be worth to them? Now let us look at the closely related income stream, AI video services. AI video services are revolutionizing how businesses create content. With tools like Synthesia and HeyGen, you produce a professional training video using nothing but a script and a browser. No camera, no studio, no lighting equipment. A corporate client needing monthly training content pays $300 to $1,500 per video. A YouTube creator wanting content in 3 languages pays $100 to $300 per video for AI dubbing. Package these as a monthly retainer and you have a recurring video production income stream. Can you think of a business that needs video content regularly but finds traditional production too expensive? Now let us combine voice and video AI with the largest hidden market, multi-language automation services. Here is the opportunity most AI training programs ignore. Over 5 billion internet users do not speak English first, yet nearly all AI service providers target only English-speaking clients. If you build multilingual AI systems for businesses in Spanish, Arabic, French, Portuguese, or Mandarin markets, you face a fraction of the competition while addressing enormous demand. This is a first-mover opportunity. Tools are ready, demand is growing, and skilled providers are almost non-existent outside major tech companies. Are you already fluent in any language other than English? That language is your competitive advantage in this market. Let us look at exactly what multi-language AI services look like in practice and how to price them. These 6 services represent the full multi-language opportunity. You do not need to speak every language. The AI tools handle the language. You need to understand the workflow, the client's business goal, and how to configure the automation correctly. A multilingual chatbot in N8N serving Spanish and English customers simultaneously is worth $600 to $2,500 to set up, plus $200 to $600 monthly. That is one client, one system, recurring income, multiplied by however many clients you onboard. Which of these 6 multi-language services addresses a need you have personally experienced or observed? Excellent. Let us return to core workflows and use cases that show exactly how these services are delivered. Let us walk through one of the most popular automation workflows. A lead fills a form, N8N captures the data, AI writes a personalized reply, the email sends automatically within 60 seconds, and the lead is added to your CRM, all without any human involvement. Then a 7-day follow-up sequence begins. This workflow alone can be the foundation of a $500 to $1,500 service offering for any business that generates leads online. Every business with a website contact form is a potential client. How many leads do you think businesses lose simply because they reply too slowly? Let us now see how this workflow concept applies across different business types. E-commerce is one of the most automation-friendly industries. An online store using AI automation can reduce customer service workload by up to 80%. Every one of these 6 features is a service you can offer and charge for. Add multilingual support to any of these and your service value instantly doubles. A multilingual abandoned cart email sequence in Spanish and English is worth significantly more to a global retailer than an English-only version. If you ran an online store, which of these 6 automations would you implement first? Let us now look at service businesses, clinics, agencies, and coaches. Service businesses are perfect automation clients because their problems are predictable and repeatable. A clinic spends hours every week on appointment calls. A $500 automation solves that permanently. An agency manually delivers reports every Friday. A $300 automation handles that forever. A coach sends the same onboarding email to every new student. One automation setup, charged once, maintained monthly. These are not complex builds. They are high-value solutions to real, expensive, recurring problems. Which of these 3 business types is closest to a client you could approach this month? Now, let us make sure you have the right tools to deliver all of these services. Notice that voice AI and video AI are now dedicated categories, not just accessories. ElevenLabs and Murf AI are the engine of an entire income stream. Synthesia and HeyGen power another stream. Start with workflow automation using N8N and one language model. Then add voice AI, then video AI. Each addition opens new service offerings and justifies higher pricing with existing clients. You do not master all of these at once. You layer them strategically over time. Which of these 6 categories do you have the least experience with right now? Now, let us look at realistic income projections across all 9 streams. These are conservative projections. In your first 3 months, $200 to $800 monthly from 1 or 2 clients or product sales is very achievable. By month 9, combining freelancing, retainers, and content affiliate income can reach $3,000 monthly. Within 18 months, practitioners who have layered in courses, products, and multi-language services regularly report $5,000 to $8,000 monthly. Expert operators running agencies or course businesses earn $8,000 to $25,000 or more. Consistency is the only multiplier that matters. What income level would genuinely change your life, and how far are you from it right now? Now let us look at your concrete roadmap to reach these numbers. 5 steps. That is all that stands between where you are and your first AI income. Step 1. Choose one stream. Step 2. Learn N8N and one AI model. That combination unlocks 80% of all income streams. Step 3. Build one real project. Step 4. Convert your first client or make your first sale. Step 5. Once income flows, add a second stream. Multi-language services are an excellent second stream because they amplify every other service you already offer. Which of these 5 steps is your current bottleneck? Choosing, building, or selling? Now let us talk about common mistakes that stop people from making progress. Every beginner makes at least one of these. The most costly is trying to learn every tool at once. You end up knowing a little about everything and expert at nothing. The second most costly is underpricing. A workflow that saves a business $2,000 monthly is worth $500 to $1,500 in setup fees, not $100. And the most overlooked mistake is skipping documentation. Every workflow screenshot, every client outcome, every before and after is evidence you show the next prospect. Which of these 5 mistakes have you already encountered, even before starting? Let us now look at getting your first paying client, the most action-ready section in this masterclass. We are now moving into section 3, getting your first paying client. This section provides the most actionable steps to turn your skills into reliable income. Landing your first client is a system, not luck. Step 1. List 10 businesses you already know. Step 2. Offer a free 15-minute audit, removing all risk for them. Step 3. On the call, listen for pain. Step 4. Build a working demo before charging, so they see results before they pay. Step 5. Present a value-based proposal. Step 6. Over-deliver and ask for referrals. The first client teaches you more than any course. The second client is always easier. Right now, can you think of one business in your network that could benefit from AI automation this week? Now let us look at converting first clients into long-term recurring income. The retainer is where AI services become truly powerful. Instead of chasing new clients every month, you maintain ongoing relationships that generate stable, recurring income. A client paying $300 monthly for system maintenance stays because the automation is critical to their operations. 5 clients at $300 each is $1,500 per month, reliably, predictably, every month. Always present the retainer option after delivering the initial project. Frame it as protection for the system you just built. If you had 5 retainer clients right now, how would that change your financial situation? Now, let us talk about building the personal brand that makes clients come to you. We are now starting section 4, building your personal brand. Your brand is the engine that accelerates every other income stream and justifies premium pricing. Your personal brand is the single asset that makes every other income stream more powerful. A course sells faster when you have a YouTube following. A service client pays more when they have followed your LinkedIn content for 3 months. An affiliate link converts better when viewers trust your reviews. Pick 2 platforms, ideally YouTube plus one text platform like LinkedIn or a newsletter. Show your work publicly. Every tutorial you publish is a permanent client acquisition tool that works while you sleep. Your freelance profile is your storefront. Most profiles are vague: AI expert or automation specialist. The ones that convert are specific and outcome-focused. State exactly which tools you use, exactly what results you have produced, and exactly which industries you serve. For your portfolio, you do not need paid clients to start. Build 3 projects: one fictional demo, one free for a real business, and one you use yourself. These 3, documented professionally, are enough to land your first paid client. What specific outcome could you put on your freelance profile right now that a business owner would immediately value? Now, let us look at platforms, pricing strategy, and then the future of AI income. These platforms are your distribution network. Use them as starting infrastructure, then migrate your best-performing income streams to your own website over time. Gumroad for digital products means instant delivery with no tech setup. Upwork gets your profile in front of companies actively hiring AI specialists today. As your brand grows, your own website gives you full control and 0 platform fees. Use platforms to get started. Use your own brand to scale. Which of these 6 platforms is the most logical starting point for your chosen income stream? Now let us look at the future: AI agents, voice agents, and the next wave of income opportunity. We are now moving into Section 5, the future of AI income. We will look at emerging categories and position ourselves for the next wave of opportunity, including advanced AI agents and video technology. 6 future categories. Each represents a new income stream for practitioners who build skills now. Voice agents are already deployable using tools like VAPI combined with N8N. Video AI agents are emerging as platforms like HeyGen introduce scheduling APIs. Multi-agent systems will replace traditional business software for many SME operations by 2027. AI consulting, helping businesses understand what to automate and how, requires no coding at all. It requires the judgment and experience you are building right now. Which of these 6 future categories excites you most as an income opportunity? Let us now consolidate everything and close with your action plan. AI agents are the single biggest upgrade in automation capability happening right now. A chatbot answers questions. An agent solves problems. For a travel business, an AI agent can search flights, compare prices, check availability, draft an itinerary, send it to the client, and book the reservation, all autonomously. For service providers, agent-powered solutions deliver dramatically higher value than basic chatbots, command higher pricing, and create deeper client dependency. Agents are where the premium market is heading. Which specific task in business you know could an AI agent handle from start to finish without human involvement? Now, let us look at pricing, making sure you charge what your skills and solutions are truly worth. Pricing is where the gap between beginners and professionals is widest. Notice that multilingual services and video AI command significantly higher pricing than standard automation. A multilingual WhatsApp bot serving 3 language markets is worth $800 to $2,500 because it effectively triples the client's customer service reach. A voice localization package at $200 to $500 per language opens entire new markets. When you frame price against market access rather than hours worked, the conversation changes completely. Which of these 5 pricing scenarios feels most aligned with the skills you are building right now? Next, how to market these services without a big advertising budget. Marketing does not require a budget. It requires consistency and public demonstration of expertise. Post your work publicly. A 3-minute video showing a WhatsApp bot handling customer questions is your most powerful sales tool. A LinkedIn post explaining how you saved a business 10 hours per week gets shared by people who know business owners with the same problem. Every piece of content you publish is a permanent client acquisition system. Start with one platform, post weekly, and let compound interest do the work. Which of these 5 marketing methods could you start this week with 0 budget? Now, let us talk about the mindset that separates people who build real AI income from those who just consume training. Technical skills open the door. Mindset determines how far you walk through it. Every successful AI automation professional you will encounter shares these 4 traits. They are curious, they are consistent, they think about client outcomes first, and they build systems, not just projects. The formula at the bottom is not motivational filler. It is an accurate description of how sustainable AI income is built. Skills get you started. Service builds your reputation. Consistency compounds everything. Which of these 4 mindset principles is your strongest? Which needs the most work? Let us now bring everything together with your 30-day action plan. Your 30-day plan is simple and non-negotiable. Week 1, set up and learn. Week 2, build something real, even if imperfect. Week 3, go public and reach prospects. Week 4, close your first client or sale. This works for anyone dedicating 1 hour daily. By the end of month 1, you will have more real experience than most people who have been planning to start for a year. In month 2, add voice AI or multi-language services to what you have already built. Every month adds a new layer. Are you willing to commit to just 1 hour per day for the next 30 days? That is all it takes to start. Let us now consolidate everything you have learned in this masterclass. Let us consolidate your 8 most important takeaways. AI is a multiplier. You now have 9 income streams, not 6. N8N is the foundational skill that unlocks most of them. Multi-language services offer the best current ratio of opportunity to competition. Value-based pricing and public content creation are your business development strategy. Personal brand and referrals build faster than paid ads. The final takeaway is the only call to action that matters. Start today, not next week, today. Which single takeaway from this list will drive your actions in the next 7 days? Our final slides close with results, motivation, and your next steps. Automate NG was built with one mission: to make AI automation practical, accessible, and profitable for everyday people. Our training offerings now include voice AI, video AI, and multi-language services, the 3 new income streams covered in this masterclass. Whether you are a beginner finding your first income stream or an experienced practitioner building an agency, Automate NG has a learning path and a service designed for exactly where you are right now. Visit aiworkflow.com.ng to explore everything we offer. And stay for the final slide. These outcomes are achievable. They represent what consistent, focused action produces. Notice the marketing agency result now mentions voiceover services and video localization alongside workflow builds. This is exactly the multi-stream expansion this masterclass teaches. One client relationship, multiple services, significantly higher revenue. Every business in these results started with a simple automation conversation. The question is, who starts that conversation with their next client first? Which of these 4 results do you most want to achieve in the next 6 months? Let us close with a few final words before the call to action. Before we close, every person who is now building sustainable AI income started exactly where you are right now. Curious, perhaps a little uncertain, but willing to learn. The tools have never been more accessible. The demand has never been higher. The competition in niches like voice AI, video AI, and multi-language services has never been lower. You do not need a degree. You do not need funding. You need 1 committed hour per day and the courage to start before you feel ready. And now, here is exactly what to do next. Thank you for completing this Automate NG training on how AI creates new income streams. Visit aiworkflow.com.ng to explore our AI automation courses, N8N workflow training, WhatsApp bot systems, and done-for-you automation services. Tell us about your business through the free inquiry form, and we will recommend the right automation setup for your needs. You can also message us directly through the WhatsApp chat button on the website. Want the ready-to-use N8N workflow templates and AI income stream starter pack used in this training? Comment "income" below, and we will send them to you. Subscribe or follow for more AI tutorials, chatbot guides, and practical digital business skills. Thank you for watching and keep automating. This is Automate NG, and we will see you in the next training.